You already know what it is. You know how we do. I catch you at the spot, you feel me? Y'all boy be safe. Yeah. Yeah. I just thought about it, man. What y'all on for tonight, man? I just thought about it. I ain't doing nothing, man. I ain't even hungry for real. I'm chilling. What y'all on?
Shit, about to go Waffle House?
I gotta go Waffle. I'll ride with you then. Let me ride with you then. I'll just leave it here, man. I ain't tripping, man.
What about the whip, though? You know they be stealing at this mug, man.
Ain't nobody gonna steal this, man. You know what I'm saying? I got an alarm on mine.
You should
mine
be
ain't
straight
going
there with
nowhere.
the alarm, you know what I'm saying? I was just trying to make sure you was safe. Tell the truth, bro. Your car won't start, will it?
What you mean it won't start? Yeah, it'll start. I just was trying to ride with the homies. What you mean? Why you worried about if it start or not? What you need to worry about, I got hoes, though. I got hoes. You ain't got no hoes. Married ass nigga. Come on, man. In love, ass. That nigga in love, man. Come on, man. Worried about if my car start or not. We gone or what? Shh, kill me.
Hey, big dog, can you turn the heat down back here, man? I got on long johns. It's hot back here. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro.